back. So this is the back, and here is the front. So guys, I think where this thing is good is when you want to make some exercise. When you want to do exercise, that's when I will recommend this stuff. After you finish your exercise, you just remove it. But when you don't want to make exercise, I don't think this one is advisable to wear outside. So I don't think it's advisable, because me, I cannot wear this thing for 1 hour, because it will make you uncomfortable. So me say I don't feel comfortable again, so I just dey I'm sweating, so I gotta pull it off. So but it's good, it make your shape become normal, you get your shape back. But for you to, can you see it, my shape is out. But for you to leave it for like 1 hour, even 30 minutes, I can't leave this thing for 30 minutes because I'm sweating. I've not even leave it for up to 5 minutes, and I'm sweating. So I gotta pull it off. I want to remove it. So guys, it's not easy. If you can bear things, if you are that type who always bear things, you can resist things. So I think it's good to go. But for me, it's not go area. I'm removing it, so I cannot go. I don't feel go kill myself for small pikin. It's not easy. I dey sweat. God, Chineke, who sent me? It's not easy. I'm sweating. See my neck. Can you see? I am sweating. So this one, I don't think someone can wear this one. Even my belly is sweating. My belly don't full for sweat, so I don't think this one you can leave it for 24 hours. No, I want to remove this side. So I'll come and not see my belly. So guys, I'm removing it. Not everything you see on video. Hey, it's so painful. This is it. I don't think I'll try this. Just look at my belly. Can you see the sweat? I think this one will work. If you can leave it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, I think within 1 month your belly will enter inside. So can you see the sweat? I am sweating in my belly. I think when you want to burn belly fat, I think you should try this method, because I don't know, it might work for you if you can be able to resist it. But me, I can't resist this stuff. Except when I'm doing weight, when I want to do lift up. I feel trying, but ordinary day, I don't think I will try this stuff though. I don't think I'll try this stuff. So that's it, guys. So my belly is sweating. I just shower. I don't think I will shower right now, except in the evening. So this is how my belly is looking like right now. So that's it. I cannot just go and kill myself for small to kill. I don't think I will do this again. I don't even think if I will wear it for 30 minutes. So the thing is not easy to wear though. Don't mind what people is saying that you can wear it, you can leave it for some hours, you can use it to go out, you can use it to go work. With this stuff, you feel comfortable. You cannot even sit there. You cannot do anything. Even if you say, let me go for if you are going for a walk, I think you can wear it when you come back from work, from just to take a walk now, strolling. So I think you can wear it. As soon as you come back, you just remove it. If you do it maybe like 1 month, your belly will go inside, because as soon as you see it now, when I just remove one, you see say I just dey sweat. Even me, I dey sweat for all my body. I think this one will work for burning belly fat and those excess fat. But without that, I don't think this one is advisable. Not everything you see on video, they'll be talking, hey, you need to do it like this, it will work for you. Not everything you try, not everything you will do, because most of us content creator, is not everything we show on video we are doing. So I just say make I come clear my thought. So thank you all for watching. So I'm going to be ending the video here. So see you guys soon. I'll come back again when I'm making other things. So bye.